Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned corn. First, choose fresh, tender sweet corn, ideally picked within 24 hours. You'll need a pressure canner, canning jars, new lids, and rings. Begin by washing your jars in hot, soapy water and keeping them warm. This initial preparation is key for a safe and successful canning process. Next, prepare your corn by husking each ear and removing all the silk, then washing them well. For whole kernel corn, blanch the ears in boiling water for 3 minutes, then cool them quickly. After cooling, use a sharp knife to cut the kernels from the cob, aiming for about 3/4 of the kernel depth, being careful not to scrape the cob. Now it's time to pack your jars. Loosely fill your hot jars with the prepared corn kernels, leaving 1 inch of space at the top. You can add 1/2 teaspoon of canning salt to pint jars or 1 teaspoon to quart jars for flavor, but it's optional. Then, carefully pour fresh boiling water over the corn, maintaining that 1 inch headspace. Use a non-metallic tool to remove any air bubbles, then wipe the jar rims clean. Finally, place your filled jars into the pressure canner, ensuring it has the correct amount of water. Secure the lid and vent steam for 10 minutes before closing the vent. Bring the canner to 10 pounds of pressure and process pint jars for 55 minutes or quart jars for 85 minutes. Once processing is complete, let the canner cool naturally until the pressure returns to 0. Remove the jars and check their seals after 12 to 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.